Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to update Google Chrome on iPhone. It is a fast and easy tutorial, so let's just dive into it. All iPhone apps are updated on the App Store, so follow keenly to find out how you can update the Google Chrome app. So open the App Store from within your app library. You will see your profile photo in the upper right corner of the home page. Click it. The page for your account will open. Your login and email address, purchase choice, notifications, redeem gift card or code, personalized recommendations, and finally impending automated updates are all available to you here. All of the apps that require updates may be seen under upcoming automatic updates. To see other apps that require an update, simply swipe down to refresh the page. You will see the option Update All here. If you tap this, every app will be updated. To update a Google Chrome app only, just scroll down until you see the app. When you see it, tap it. On Google Chrome page, you will see the option Update. Just tap it. Google Chrome app will start the process of updating. That is how to update Google Chrome on iPhone. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.